In this video, we're going to teach you how to replace your Toyota Highlander Key Fob battery, which we've got right here. You're going to need a CR2032 replacement battery. We've got links to those below, so check that out if you need one. And you're going to need a small screwdriver or something to pry on the key with. In order to replace the Toyota Highlander Key Fob battery, all you do is there's this little lever right here, and that releases the manual key. Once you release the manual key by pressing right here, then there is a little slot there. You take that same key and you just wedge it in there and tilt up, and that's going to remove the plastic on the top of the key. Then you have access to the compartment where the battery is located, and you can just dump this out and or be gentle and pry it out. So we'll dump it out right there, and then you're going to have access to the battery. Now this is where you're going to need something to pry up against the battery right here to release it. There's that little hole right there to pry into. So we've got our screwdriver in there, and we are just going to pry that open. It might take something even smaller than what I've got. And we've got the existing battery out. And now we're going to put in our CR2032 battery into the existing slot. We put it down here at the bottom, and then we press in. These two tabs don't move. These two at the top do move. Now we're going to replace this as it was. So we put it back in the key fob, just like this. This is what it's going to look like. And then there's this little rubber piece here. I recommend that you replace this rubber piece on top of the key fob before you put the plastic back in place. And then you're going to take the top, this plastic piece, and you're just going to press it into place. You're gonna make sure you hear it click in and that it looks like the normal key fob battery right here. Then you take your key and you slide it in place right there. Now your Toyota Highlander key has been replaced, and we can see that it's been replaced and doesn't have low battery anymore because that little red button right there lights up, and this one had low battery. And when you press it with the low battery or a dead battery, that light no longer lights up. So thanks for watching how to replace your Toyota Highlander Key Fob battery.